A lot of people ask me the same question. Philip, what was it that made you snap? What caused you to go from broke $20,000 in debt, living in a basement apartment you couldn't even stand up straight in, to making $27 million in a calendar year, all within 3 years? Because let's be real, that's not normal at all. There was a moment, a mental shift so powerful that it flipped my entire reality upside down. One day, I was wasting my life stuck in an endless cycle of partying and complete failure. And the next, I was obsessed, locked in, and unstoppable. Here's the thing. Most people think they need some big traumatic event to finally wake up and take action. But for most people, that's not how the switch flips. You don't need some life-shattering event to wake you up. You just need to rewire your mind to see your current life as unacceptable. That's exactly what I did. And once I did, nothing could stop me.